Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Miracles Beneath the Surface. And today, it's about answering one simple question. Who are the children of God?
Pleasant surprise. This morning's full of surprises, Leonidas.
We've been tricked. A few hundred. This is a surprise.
Silence! We heard Sparta was on the warpath. We were eager to join forces.
If it is blood you seek,
You're welcome to join us. But you bring only this handful of soldiers against Xerxes? See, I was wrong to expect Sparta's commitment to at least match our own.
doesn't it? You, there. Where's your profession?
I'm a partner. And you, Arcadian,
What is your profession?
sculptor, sir.
You?
Blacksmith. Spartans! What is your profession?
See, old friend, I brought more soldiers than you did.
Any questions?